Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I am going to be making a nice seafood curry, a mussels curry made in a South Indian style, probably more part of sort of Goan style with some nice coconut milk, heaps of spices, but yeah, I'll get on with it. Show you what we're doing. Now the first thing I need to do is I'm just going to roast off some whole spices here. Just going to roast them, sort of dry roast them in my fry pan here. Toast them up, get them a little just slightly smoky, and then I'm going to pound them up. So what I've got is I've got about a tablespoon and a half of coriander seeds, about half a tablespoon of cumin seeds, about the same of fenugreek seeds, and I've got here 3 dry red chilies. It doesn't have to be spicy. You can use less if you want to. You don't even have to use them at all. I'll just break them up a little bit while we're toasting them. They'll go into our grinder better. Spread them out. And I'll get on with that and I'll get back to you. Alrighty, now once I've got my spice mix done, I've just got some oil heating up in my wok here. That's a good couple of tablespoons. I'm going to first of all fry off a good couple of sprigs of curry leaves, and I'm not sure, that'll be around 20 leaves or so. So I'll put them in and just give them a little fry off to start. Alrighty, once those leaves have been frying just for a minute or two, I'm going to add in 1 chopped onion. Whoa, turn that down a bit. I've got about 4 cloves of garlic that I've grated. I've got a big knob of ginger that I've grated. And yeah, make sure you get all that, the juices that came out of that knob of ginger. Now next thing I'm going to throw in there is those spices that we've roasted and ground. Along with half a teaspoon of ground turmeric. And we're just going to toast them off for another minute or two. Alright, next I'm going to add 2 cans of coconut milk. And about half again, one of those cans, just water. A good hit of salt in there. Give that a stir up. What I'm going to do is bring that to a boil, then get it down to a simmer, and just simmer it for about 10 or so minutes, and we're just going to reduce it. Alrighty guys, so my coconut milk there with the spices and that in it has been simmering away for a good 10 minutes. I'm just turn the heat back up, get it back up to a boil. Last thing I want to add as far as flavouring goes is I've just got a tablespoon of tamarind puree. Throw that in. And I've got a good handful here, or half a handful, of sliced green chilies. Throw them in. And I've got my mussels here, which I've sort of washed and pretty well de-bearded as best I could. And throw them in. Alright, I'm going to get my lid on that. I'm just going to let them simmer until they all sort of start opening up. Alrighty, so I've just served some of my South Indian style coconut and mussel curry. Didn't take long, about 5 minutes in that broth, and they all started opening. So I took it off the heat straight away. So I'm going to try one of these mussels with a bit of the broth to see how it cooked up. That's good. See if you can see that up close. Alright, I'll give that a taste. Yummo. Absolutely delicious. That broth is just yum. It's really creamy and rich. It's got a back note of spiciness from those chilies, but it's not spicy, it's hot, but you can feel it. It's nice. It's just yummy. The mussels are nice and soft. Well, that mussel was. I assume the rest will be. It's just yum. Now, obviously you can serve this with rice. You can serve it with some naan bread. Whatever you like. It'll go well. There's plenty of that broth to soak up whatever you want to have with it. Yeah, I'm going to sit down and eat the rest of that bowl there for lunch. Thanks for watching, and thanks to everyone who's subscribed to the channel. Really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, can I just ask that you hit that subscription button? That'd be good. And if you don't want any, no worries. I'll see you all next time.